Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I am going to make a delicious dish, Sev Usal. Before I start, do subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos and don't forget to hit the like button down below. I have 1.5 cups of whole dry green peas soaked overnight, or you can also soak it at least for 8 hours. Thoroughly rinse it with clean water before cooking. In the rest of the ingredients, I have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 3 teaspoons of grated ginger, 1/4 cup of red onion, 1.5 cups of fresh tomato puree, some chopped cilantro for garnishing, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2.5 teaspoon of salt, or you can adjust it as per your taste, and I'm going to use half teaspoon of garam masala at the end. If you have seen my previous videos, I use my Instant Pot a lot, and I am going to use my Instant Pot today as well. Put the Instant Pot on saute mode. In the Instant Pot, add 4 tablespoons of oil. After oil heats up, add only half teaspoon of minced garlic and 1.5 teaspoon of grated ginger, because I'll be using the rest of the ginger and garlic to make tari. Saute for a few seconds and then add finely chopped red onion. You can add 1 small red onion finely chopped, but I'm only using 1/4 cup of it. Saute onion till it becomes translucent, and then goes in tomato puree. With that, I'm going to add in some spices. Half teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. Add 2.5 teaspoons of salt, or adjust it as per your taste. Give it a mix. Let this cook until oil starts to show up on top. As soon as the oil starts to ooze out and starts to float on the surface, add soaked green peas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to hit the like button down below. Add 4.5 cups of water to cook these green peas. Let me warn you, there is a correction with the cooking time. Put the lid on and close the Instant Pot. Cook these green peas on manual mode for 60 minutes. Yes, you heard me, 60 minutes. I had to recook these peas for another 35 minutes. I think the reason I had to cook this dry green peas for this long, because I had this packet open for more than 6 months and they got old. So that's the reason it took a little bit longer to cook even in the Instant Pot. So the cooking time may or may not be the same for you. To make tari, I'm going to combine the rest of the ginger and garlic into a small bowl. In a pot or a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. Keep the flame on low. Once the oil heats up, add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Turn off the flame. And I'm going to mix this warm oil with garlic and ginger. And I'm going to give it a mix, and our tari is ready. After the Instant Pot goes off, let it naturally release the inbuilt pressure before opening the lid. Green peas are now perfectly cooked. Put the Instant Pot on saute mode. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well and let this come to a boil before serving. It does look watery, but it'll thicken up as soon as it comes to the room temperature. Time to plate. Garnish with some chopped cilantro. Drizzle some tari. And garnish with sev. Enjoy Sev Usal with bread. Hope you like this recipe and do give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.